In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can permanently delete your Duolingo account. People might delete their Duolingo accounts for various reasons, such as no longer wanting to learn a language, finding other learning methods more effective, or wanting to take a break from the app. To do this, simply head into your Duolingo. On your home page, tap onto your profile icon just right here. You will then tap on the Settings option. On this page, navigate onto the last option of Delete Account. After deleting their Duolingo account, users typically lose access to their learning progress, achievements, and any stored data associated with their account. They will no longer receive reminders, notifications, or updates from Duolingo. That's how easy it is to delete your Duolingo account. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.